Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook fall-off-the-bone turkey legs. Let's start by patting your turkey legs completely dry with paper towels, a crucial step for achieving that desired crispy skin. Next, preheat your oven to 325 degrees F, which is about 160 degrees C, and prepare a large roasting pan. Ensure there's a wire rack inside. This elevates the legs for even cooking and browning. A fantastic seasoning blend is key for succulent turkey legs. Combine 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Don't forget a full teaspoon each of salt and fresh black pepper for depth. Thoroughly rub this aromatic mix all over the turkey legs, getting into every crevice to build layers of irresistible flavor. The secret to truly fall-off-the-bone turkey is the low and slow braising method. Pour about 2 cups of chicken broth into the bottom of your roasting pan, beneath the rack. This creates a moist, steamy environment. Tightly cover the entire pan with aluminum foil, then braise the legs in your preheated 325 degrees F, 160 degrees C, oven for an impressive 2.5 hours. After braising, it's time to get that beautiful, crispy skin. Carefully remove the aluminum foil, watching out for the steam. Then, increase your oven temperature significantly to 400 degrees F, or about 200 degrees C. Return the pan to the oven and roast for an additional 20 to 30 minutes, or until the turkey leg skin is perfectly golden brown and irresistibly crisp. Once out of the oven, don't rush to serve. This final step is crucial. Transfer the turkey legs to a cutting board and let them rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Now, serve these fall-off-the-bone turkey legs with your favorite sides and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.